Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are looking at detailed views of the Hot Wheels Daredevils series. First up is a 1970 Chevelle wagon SS in a bright red. Awesome decals all over this vehicle and contrasting tyres at the front and the back. It's a real cool car. The next one we will be looking at is a Fiat 500. It's in a matte bronze colour. Cute little car, big yellow wheels, huge 500 across the side. Awesome car. Prefer it in a metallic. Next we have the Hot Wheels 450 motorcycle in blue and purple with big blue wheels. It's cool. The next one, Mad Props aeroplane. It's green and orange with a big purple propeller and heaps of chrome up the side. Really love that plane. And last we have the Rally Cat Hot Wheels original car in white and bronze. The bottom is plastic. I didn't really like that, but the tyres on this, pretty cool. I really like the orange features. Okay everyone, thanks for watching today. Don't forget, leave your comments below on what you thought of the vehicles. A big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe so you don't miss anything from the Hot Wheels Garage.